Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing the Walmart grocery haul and our weekly meal plan. Be sure to subscribe down below if you are new. And for all of my returning subscribers, thank you for all of your love and support. I really appreciate it. So let's just jump right into it. As always, the prices will be on the screen and then we will do the total and everything will be on the screen also. So the weekly meal plan is Sunday we're going to have roast beef with mashed potatoes and carrots. Monday is going to be salmon with zucchini. Tuesday is going to be leftovers. Wednesday I literally did not think about anything. So we're probably just going to have leftovers because roast beef makes a lot. And then Thursday's leftovers as always. And Friday is going to be breakfast. Saturday we're going to have a Chick-fil-A sandwich with sweet potatoes. So we're going to make the homemade Chick-fil-A sandwiches that I found a recipe for. It is in the Pinterest, so make sure you go check that out. So I am filming this on Saturday and Mama is down, so we're going to be making adobo with veggies. And for my breakfast we're going to have some boiled eggs. Lunch for my short days, which is till 3, we're going to have some pickles, cheese, and roast beef, and then probably some fruit on the side. And then for my long days it's probably going to be leftovers. But as always, this is a very small haul compared to the other ones that I've had recently. But anyways, so first off we got this stewed meat. So we got some pork because this is for the adobo. And we did get some pork belly, but that was from Rouse's and it's not in the video. I don't know where my brother put it at, but so we picked up some stewed meat. We picked up this salmon. I think it's 2 pieces. Yeah, it's 2 pieces. It's just long. So this was on clearance, as you can see. Here is the roast. So we decided to go with the beef instead of pork, just to, you know, kind of cut down on sodium. But this is what we got that we're going to mix with some carrots and potatoes. Got some cinnamon rolls to make some cinnamon rolls for Mom for Mother's Day tomorrow. Great value, of course, some milk, half a gallon. I got a thing of canola oil, which I don't usually use, but I know I'm making friendship bread that one of the girls at my work gave me as a starter kit. So on day 10 I have to mix some canola oil, so I picked that up. Needed some more butter, so we got the challenge butter salted. Now I didn't buy this, but you know, my brother's over and he was like, put this in the video, so we're gonna put this in the video. This is the Beyond Meat, so it's Beyond Burger. It's plant-based patties, 20 grams of plant protein per servings. I've never had anything that's like Beyond Burger or any Beyond Meat, so I will ask him what he thinks about it. I think it comes with 4 or maybe just 2. I don't know. But anyways, so it looks, I mean, it looks good, so hopefully it tastes like a burger. Fruit-wise, we got some blackberries, and then we picked up some strawberries. The fruit is on point right now. Then we need some baby carrots for roast beef. I don't eat carrots, but Jared will probably just eat them for me. I picked up a avocado. I got onion mushroom soup for the roast beef. Not the roast beef, for the roast. Vanilla pudding for the friendship bread. We got a dozen of medium eggs. I picked up some spicy crackling curls. Now, if you know what crackling is, you know that these will pretty much break your teeth, but they're just so good. I picked up some cashews, so it's the Planters cashews, halves and pieces. A can of cream of mushroom soup for the roast. I got some dark chocolate because, you know, dark chocolate is better for you than regular chocolate. It's 72% of cocoa or cacao, however you say it. And then Mama wanted some plantains. She's probably going to fry these up, I bet. It's like one of the major fruits in the Philippines. So she picked up some plantains, or I bought them for her. So these looked really good. So yeah, I don't know what she's going to do with it. I'll let y'all know. But anyway, so this is everything that I and myself and Jared bought at Walmart. And be sure to subscribe down below and let me know what you are going to be buying at Walmart this week, or Target, or, you know, Piggly Wiggly, Rouse's, anywhere. And then also let me know what you plan on cooking this week. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, even dog moms. Y'all count. Anyways, I hope y'all have a great week, and I will see you guys later. Bye.